Our office was getting a renovation. New desks, new shelving, new chairs. Everything was being replaced. But before any of it could come in, the old stuff had to go. There was no way to do it during regular hours. The office runs at full speed 5 days a week, so Saturday was the only option. I sent a message to the team and asked for volunteers. I told them that anyone who came in on Saturday would get the following Friday off as comp time. A proper 3-day weekend. It seemed like a fair exchange. I was asking people to give up part of their weekend, so the least I could do was give them something meaningful back. I got to the office early that morning. I changed into an old t-shirt and a pair of jeans I didn't mind getting dirty. I wasn't planning to supervise, I was planning to work. People started arriving around 9. A few brought coffee. Someone showed up with a box of donuts. The mood was relaxed, almost like a weekend project at home. We started with the heavy furniture. Desks were carried out into the hallway and stacked near the freight elevator. Filing cabinets followed. The old storage cabinets were the real surprise. Some of them hadn't been opened in years. Inside were folders, binders, and documents that no one even remembered keeping. We sorted everything into 2 piles. Keep and shred. The shred pile grew quickly. It was almost funny how much paper we had been holding on to for no reason. The shredder ran continuously for most of the morning. At one point, someone called it the MVP of the day, and everyone laughed. We finally pulled the desks away from the walls. I couldn't believe what was behind them. Dust, crumbs, old cables, things that had been quietly collecting for years. The office always looked clean on the surface, but underneath, it told a completely different story. We swept the floors, wiped down the walls, and cleaned every corner. Someone even took the office plants outside to wash and trim them. They looked like new plants by the time they came back in. Around noon, I ordered pizza for everyone. There were no chairs left, so we sat on the floor in a circle with the boxes in the middle. It felt a little strange, but also oddly fun, like a picnic in an empty room. After lunch, we took care of the last few details. By early afternoon, the office was completely cleared out. Standing in the middle of an empty room, it was hard to believe how big the space actually was. Everyone was tired, but it was the good kind of tired, the kind that comes from doing something physical and finishing it properly. The new furniture would arrive on Monday. The room was ready for it. I looked around at my team. Every one of them had given up their Saturday without complaining. They worked hard, they kept the mood light, and they got the job done. I thanked everyone before they left, and I reminded them, Friday is yours. You earned it. I meant every word. A promise is a promise.